Okay, go. Go. Get it out.
Okay.
What if it won't come out?
Use the other end of the stick. Oh, alright.
I can't believe there's some fat in there.
It's clicking! Why is it clicking?
Because it doesn't want you to get it, but we need to get it in the house.
It's still clicking!
I'll do it if you want me to, if you videotape it. Make it stop clicking. I don't know, but it's still clicking.
I can hear it clicking.
I'm gonna sit down.
That's clicking?
Yes.
It's the bat!